On Saturday, 15th January 2022, at a special service held at the Cathedral Shillong, the Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Reverend Father Victor Lyngdoh, had ordained 5 deacons into priesthood, who had also taken oath to continue in faithful service to the Lord. Those ordained as priests include Deacon BARNABAS SYIEM of UMDEN Parish and Deacon JEFFREE KHARKONGOR of LAITKOR Parish, who belong to the Salesian Order. Deacon Wester David MARBANIANG of MAWLAI Parish and Deacon Robert MARWEIN belong to the Salvatorian Order, while Deacon RYNGKATBOR DKHAR belongs to the Diocesan Order of Priesthood. The auspicious ceremony was witnessed by priests of the Salesian, Salvatorian and Diocesan Orders, as well as family members and those of the congregation.
Rengkat bagi lukut baru, akibat isanya, nyok jengerap, nak jenyasan dan berkelam